Hey everybody, hope you are doing good. My name is Arman. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you the important cities of the world and why they are famous. So stick to the video till the end, but before I begin, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified for the further updates, and hit the like button so that I feel really motivated to make more videos. Okay, and if you have any queries, questions, doubts, suggestions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on Instagram. Do find the link in the description box. And apart from that, if you are preparing for the Assam Judicial Service and you want to know how to prepare everything, so do check the playlist in the description box. Okay, so guys, without any further delay, let's start today's video. Alright guys, now we will see the cities of the world and why they are famous. Okay, so first city we have Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is an Indian city, we know it. So it is famous for cotton textile industry. And then comes Abadan, it's an Iranian city. So it's famous for oil refining. Then comes Anshan, it's a Chinese city and it's famous for iron and steel industry. Alright, then comes Baku, it's an Azerbaijan city and it's famous for petroleum. Then comes Bangkok. So Bangkok is in Thailand, we know it. So it is famous for shipping. Okay, then comes Belfast, it's in Ireland. So it is famous for shipbuilding. Then comes Birmingham, it's in United Kingdom, that is in Britain, and it is famous for iron and steel industry. Then comes Buenos Aires, it's a Argentinian city, so it is famous for dairy. Okay, then comes Cadiz, it is in Spain, it is famous for cork. Okay, then comes Changchun, it's in China, it's famous for automobiles and machine tools industry. Then comes Chelyabinsk, it's in Russia, so it is famous for iron and steel and machine tools industry. Then comes Chicago, USA, it's an iron and steel industry and meat packing. Okay, then comes Dhaka, Bangladesh, it's famous for muslin. Okay, then comes Indian Darjeeling, it is famous for tea processing. Then comes Detroit, that is in USA, it's an automobile industry. And Dundee, it's in Scotland, it's first jute mill, linen manufacturing. Okay, then comes Dresden, it's in Germany, optical, photo and graphic apertures. Okay, then comes Dusseldorf, it's in Germany, it's famous for iron and steel and engineering industry. Then we have Essen. So Essen is in Germany, it is famous for iron and steel and engineering industry. All right, then we have Essex, it's in England, it's famous for engineering works. Then comes Firozabad, India, it is famous for glass industry. Okay, all kind of glass bangles, glass products are made in Firozabad. Okay, then comes Geneva, Switzerland. So Geneva is famous for watches and light precision goods, glass glow. Okay, iron and steel and shipbuilding and machinery manufacturers. Okay, then comes Gorky, it's in Russia, it's famous for engineering industry. Then comes Havana, it's in Cuba, it's famous for cigar. Okay, I think you know what is cigar. It's a kind of cigarette. Then Hollywood, that is in USA, we know it. It's famous for films. Then comes Jamshedpur, India, it is famous for iron and steel industry, like Tata Iron Tisco. Okay, headquarters of Tisco is in Jamshedpur. Okay, then comes Johannesburg, it's in South Africa, it's famous for gold mining. Then comes Kansas City, it's in USA, it's famous for meat packing. Then comes Kawasaki, it's in Japan, iron and steel industry. And comes Kharkov, it's in Ukraine, it's famous for machine building and engineering industry. Okay, then comes Kyiv, it's again in Ukraine and it is famous for engineering industry. Then comes Kimberley, that's in South Africa, it's famous for diamond mining. Then comes Kobe, it's in Japan, so it's famous for iron and steel industries, engineering industries. Then comes Kolkata, India, it's famous for jute mill industry. Okay, so in Kolkata, where the jute mill industry located, it's in Hooghly. Okay, so next we have Kirovoi. Kirovoi Rock, it's in Ukraine again, and it's famous for iron and steel and engineering industries. Okay, and Leeds, it's in UK and it's famous for woolen textile industry. Then we have Leningrad, it's in Russia, and it's famous for shipbuilding and automobile industries. Then comes Los Angeles, it's in USA, it's famous for petroleums and films. And Lyon, Lyons, it's in France and it's famous for silk industry. Then comes Magnitogorsk, Russia, it's famous for iron and steel industry. Then comes Manchester, it's in UK, United Kingdom, and it's famous for cotton textile industry. Okay, then comes Melbourne, Australia, it's famous for food processing. Then comes Milan, Italy, it is famous for silk textile industry. Okay, then comes Multan, it's in Pakistan, it's famous for pottery. Then in Munich, it's in Germany, it's famous for lenses. Then in Nagoya, it's in Japan, it's famous for cotton textile and shipbuilding engineering industry. Okay, then comes New Orleans, it's in USA, it's famous for coal mining and iron steel industry. Then Nizhny Tagil, it's in Russia, it's famous for iron and steel industry. Then North Brompton, it's in UK and it's famous for leather goods. And comes Osaka, that is in Japan, so it's famous for iron and steel and engineering industry. Then comes Oslo, it's in Norway. Okay, it's capital of Oslo is the capital of Norway. Okay, so it's famous for paper industry. And comes Philadelphia, it's in USA, it's famous for locomotive industry. Locomotive means what? Locomotive means engine. Okay, then Pittsburgh, I mean engine of the rail, generally it is like considered to the engine of the rail. Okay, then comes Pittsburgh, it's in USA, it's famous for iron and steel industry. Then comes Plymouth, that is in USA, it's famous for shipbuilding. Then comes Port Louis, it's in Mauritius and it's famous for sugar industry. Then comes Rourkela, India, it's famous for iron and steel industry. Then comes Sheffield, it's in UK, it's famous for cutlery. Okay, then comes Singapore, important trading port. Okay, then comes Tula, that is in Russia, it's famous for iron and steel industry. And again Vinci, it's in Italy, it's famous for glass industry. And Vienna, it's in Austria, it's famous for glass industry again. And Vladivostok in Russia, it's famous for shipping. And Wellington, it's in New Zealand, it's famous for dairying. Okay, and then comes Yanang, okay, it's in Myanmar and it's famous for oil drilling. Then comes Zurich, it's in Switzerland, it's famous for light engineering industry. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you have found my information really helpful. If it is, then do let me know in the comment section and hit the like button. Okay, and if you want more videos as such, do comment down below, or if you want videos in another topics, then do let me know in the comment section. Okay, and please check my description box in every videos, because my description box are really important. If you don't check my description box, there are a lot of information that might be missing, so do check my description box always. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.